I sold one of my dream cars, a hero car for me, an E46 M3 with a 6-speed manual transmission. I have so much nostalgia for those cars. That was the M3 when I was in high school, and I had the chance to own one. Let's get into it. Welcome to Garage Trouble. This video is going to be done in 3 parts. Why did I buy the E46 M3? Why did I sell it? And what will I be replacing it with? Big departure from what I normally have on this channel. So I'll save that to the end. 4 years ago, the car I'm currently driving, my Honda S2000, was my only car. Timing chain tensioner went bad. I parked this car. Well, if I could have spent $1,000 here or there to rent a car, why not just buy one?
That's not how math works.
I called 6 different dealerships. The only one that called me back was a BMW dealership. I never thought I could afford an M3. Ended up picking it up. The plan was 2 years, buy it, sell it. The idea being, I have a list of cars a mile long, and there's just no way I'm gonna be able to own everything I want if I hold on to things. 2 years came and went. There was no way I could sell the car without at least driving it as a manual, because the reality is, now that I've sold that car, I'll probably never own another E46. I enlisted a shop. Unfortunately, it took far longer than they anticipated to make the swap, but when I finally got it, I drove it for a year, and the plan was to let it go this September. There was going to be a whole video, I was going to do a cross-country road trip, everything. Then all my cars started breaking. That super stressed me out. Having 3 old, aging cars, varying degrees of high mileage, it's too much. It's too much for one person that doesn't have an infinite money glitch. Something had to go. And it wouldn't be the Jimny. That is the slowest car I've ever owned, and it is probably the most whimsical and delightful. So it came down, this Honda and the M3. As good as the E46 M3 is, which it's a great car, objectively better than this Honda in every single measure. It's miles per mile, and this car elicits so much joy. What's next? To give you a hint, different, reliable, and with a warranty. Yeah, that's right. I bought my first ever new car. Probably my last new car at that too. I'm not particularly moved by the automotive offerings that are out there nowadays. That's right. I bought a Toyota Tacoma. But for that, you'll have to wait till the next video. Thanks for watching. All right, got a police officer here. I don't know what's going on. Oh man, we're hitting everything. Got the trash truck too. I have some cyclists.